TID Charger 2024 has been upgraded once again. This year, we've added an automatic board loader and dedicated material racks, eliminating manual handling issues and significantly improving yield rates. Our new custom-shaped plug-in machine ensures high efficiency, precise positioning, and zero polarity misinsertion, reducing errors from manual operations. Staff wear anti-static wristbands throughout production to prevent electrostatic damage. Pre-reflow OE inspection and timely repairs further enhance yield rates and reduce rework. We use top-notch Jinchuo wave soldering equipment for seamless soldering, and our large-scale dispensing machine secures components onto PCB boards effectively. TID Charger's brand new automated smart upgrade ensures peace of mind for customers. Safety comes from Tianida, and you deserve to have it.